Forget Messi. Forget the GOAT debate. Here's the real question nobody wants to answer. What if Ronaldo's last World Cup ends the same way his career started, with tears and silence? At 41 years old, he won't outrun defenders. He won't dribble past 5 players. But Ronaldo never won by being the fastest. He won by being the most obsessed. One header, one tap in, one penalty in the 90th minute. That's all he needs. Portugal has the best squad in the world. Leão, Vitinha, Bernardo, Diaz. They don't need Ronaldo to start. They need him to close. And when the game is tied at 2-2 in the quarterfinal with 5 minutes left, the ball falls to him inside the box. But history has a cruel pattern. Every time Ronaldo reaches for glory, something breaks. His knee, his form, his fate. So here's the real question. Will 2026 be his redemption? Or the final heartbreak?